Photocentric are doubling the size of their business year on year and have done that since we started interacting with them. I'm one of Innovate UK's 22 Scaleup directors. So we actually deal with companies that are right on that cusp of expanding exponentially, basically. So all of what I do with companies is actually about that scaling journey, which is probably the most multidisciplinary journey that any company ever goes on.
About 7 years ago, we invented a new form of 3D printing using LCD screens. Today, we're working on taking this technology and making millions of items a month.
In Scaleup, you will actually need different sorts of talent that you do in an R&D business. You need people who understand the commercial implications, and you need them to understand the technical development, how I might actually produce something at scale.
We were looking for help, and Innovate UK EDGE were offering, via the Scaleup program, a consultant who would come in and advise us on what was the blockage that was preventing us from growing and how could we unblock it.
So Photocentric are doubling the size of their business year on year and have done that since we started interacting with them. And so we've supported them in doing that, in actually scaling. So that's actually strategy and structure. It's also NPD, so that's introduction of new products. And it's about how they develop the organisation and the team. And really that's what successful scale-up is about.
Innovate UK EDGE has enabled Photocentric to restructure our business to enable us to grow more efficiently, more effectively, and go to market quicker.
What we're adding is skill sets that they haven't currently got. And that's the beauty of Scaleup. That's what it does, is identify what the barriers are, what the gaps are, and then we help them to overcome those barriers.